A person applies a constant net force of 85 newtons on a 5 kilogram bowling ball over a time period of 1 second before he releases the ball. The ball starts from rest. What is its final velocity? So, if you remember, Newton's second law says that the net force, or the summation of all of the forces acting on an object, is equal to that object's mass times its acceleration. And here we know that the person applies a constant net force of 85 newtons. So now all we need to do is solve for A. So the acceleration is equal to the force. I'm just going to drop the summation since it's already given to us. The net force divided by the mass of the object. And in this case, the net force is 85 newtons, and the mass of the object is 5 kilograms. So this should give you an acceleration of 17 meters per second squared. So that's its acceleration. Now, to find its final velocity, we can simply use a kinematic equation, or this one, which says that the final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus the acceleration times the time. And in this case, we know that the initial velocity is equal to 0 since the ball starts from rest. So the final velocity is simply equal to the acceleration times the time. And that is equal to 17 meters per second squared times time interval of 1 second, which is 17 meters per second. So the final velocity is equal to 17 meters per second. And that is how you would solve this problem here.